Hi everyone, this is Linda from New Look FX, just doing a quick tutorial on how to apply our full strip magnetic lashes. So here is the kit with the compact that contains your strip lashes, the magnetic eyeliner and the application tweezers. Today I'm just going to demo how to apply the volume lash look, which is MA05, which can be found on our online shop, newlookfx.com. First of all, you just want to make sure that your eye is free of moisture. So I did apply moisturizer earlier on, but I have put on a matte eyeshadow just to get rid of any other extra moisturizer. So no eye shape is the same and the widths vary. So first just measure up your eye shape and width to make sure that this matches. And as you can see, that bypasses my own eye width about 2-3 centimeters. So I'm just going to chop off the end of this strip about 2 magnets in, and then I also will be left with a nice little corner lash to do a cat eye flick another day. So this is the one I cut up earlier, and that matches my eye width a lot better. And then I also have this extra little one here that can be used as just a little flick for another evening out. So first you just want to apply your magnetic liner. So just create your flick first of all as big and as dramatic as you want it. I'm happy with that myself. Then you just want to fan it dry for a few minutes. So you can have mascara on. I'm not wearing any lashes or mascara at the moment or anything, but you can use these strips along with, say, your mascara or your eyelash extensions as they're just about to fall out, you know. I mean, they're great for just between lash fills and that sort of thing. So now I'm just going to take my little strip and place it as I want it along my lash line. Make sure that you apply enough eyeliner that the magnets are going to have enough contact with your eyelid. So that's about, those magnets are a little bit, probably about 2 millimeters in width. So then you just place the lash along your eye. And just move it around until it's in a comfortable spot for you. And that's it then. You're done. So this is the volume lash look. Now, you might want to use more of the strip, or you might want to just use the ends for the little cat eye, but we also have corner lashes for sale in our online shop, which is newlookfx.com. The other lash you can get is the natural look, which is a little less kind of voluminous, a little less textured. Anyway, there you are, you're good to go. So please let me know if you like this tutorial, if it was of any help to you, and I'll be putting it up on my website a little bit later on today. Thanks for watching.